Hello everybody, it's the 9th of May today, and let's just pop the can in for scale. This is one of my Lonicera nitida bonsai. As you can see, it's a big old chunky thing. Started life, I had this idea that I would do some topiary probably about 30 years ago. So spent some time in the ground. I never got round to doing the topiary. This was going to be one leg of a dinosaur. But instead later became one of my more traditional branched sort of left, right, rear bonsai. What I need to do today is it pays every now and again to give your bonsai a chance to grow, to stay healthy. So that's exactly what I've done with this tree. And lots of people will say these grow very slowly, but actually, as you can see, this is put on that much growth this spring, so they don't really hang about. And now what I want to do is try and find the bonsai that's hiding in this mop. So let's do that. So we have the first branch, first pad. They say it's probably one of my most traditional bonsai, almost grown like a pine with the pads, but I still like it, although my interest has been developing more towards a naturalistic form. But I still have a soft spot for this tree. So that brings us back to, well, I guess it's final sort of form. That process is it's kind of like topiary, but then as you get deeper into the pruning, you find you'll need to remove sort of gnarled lumps like that, just to stop this all getting too congested and killing itself off. All that remains now is to collect up the rest of the debris, quite a bit, as you can see, and then I shall clean the moss off this trunk, give it a top dressing, with some fresh substrate, compost, soil, call it what you will, and some controlled release fertilizer, and then it needs to go back on a bench that gets a little more light at the back, because some of these are a little bit more sparse. But there you go. So just give you a bit of a close-up of the carving in the trunk, which it's not brilliant, but I did the best I could, and I'm quite happy with it. Others probably would have done better, but and there we go. There we go. I found the tree within, and all that remains to be said is thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Do all the usual YouTube things, the liking, the subscribing, comment below, but most of all, please stay safe, everybody.